Hello everyone, I am Remi Asthana. In my previous video, I shared my analysis for Shyam Metallics with all of you. Today, I am going to share my analysis for Sona Comstar. Comstar is a global automotive system and component manufacturer. It have 9 plants across India, China, Mexico, and USA. 6 of them are in India only. This company was originally incorporated as Sona Okegawa Precision Forgings Limited at New Delhi as a public limited company in 1995. This company is amongst top 10 global bevel gear suppliers. Now look at the business partners. This company have very strong business partners like Volvo Cars, Ashok Leyland, Dana, Maruti Suzuki, John Deere, Jaguar, Land Rover, Escorts, and Geely. The financial information of the company includes the total assets, total revenue, and profit after tax. So the company's total assets for the period ended 31st December 20, it was 21,120.42 million. Total revenue for the period ended 31st December 20, it is 10,296.28 million. If you will compare the total assets and total revenue from the previous year, it is increasing. Now the profit after tax for the period ended 31st December 20, it is 1,554.69. Little bit decrease in profit because of the pandemic and the little expenditure of the company increases. And the EPS of the company is 2.71. Now look at the IPO detail of this company. IPO opening date is on June 14, closing date is on June 16. The face value of a share is rupees 10 per equity share. IPO price is rupees 285 and rupees 291 per equity share. The market lot is 51 share. It is listing at BSE and NSE. The size is up to rupees 5,550 crore. Lot size of the share is for one lot it is 51 share, which will be of rupees 14,841 rupees. Maximum lot is 13, includes 663 shares, which will be of rupees 1,92,933. The Sona Comstar IPO opening date is on June 14 and closing date is on June 16. Issue may list on June 24. And issues price will be at 285 to 291 per equity share. At last, the company is really good. It is amongst the top players in automotive sector. But according to me, the price of the share is little bit high. If you will calculate the PE ratio, it will also come high. The gray market premium is really low. And I will suggest to wait till last date of subscription. And otherwise we can wait till the listing. After listing we can also buy the shares, as this company is a very good company and it will also show growth in future. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.